This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add coupon code to Wix website. Log into your Wix site dashboard and scroll down to this left-hand menu. Click on Marketing and SEO and click on Coupons. To create or set up a new coupons, click on New Coupon and select the type of coupon you want to offer. You can select discount, free shipping, sale price, or buy one get one free. So I'm selecting here discount and enter here the coupon code. And write the coupon name. Enter the discount amount. Apply to, you can select specific ticket, specific event. So I'm selecting here all products. Now select apply once per order or apply to each eligible item in the order. And now valid between, select the validity here. You can use don't set an end time. And select your limit usage and click on create coupon. And as you can see, my coupon code has been successfully generated. And whenever someone use these coupon code in their checkout page, they will get $50 discount. This is how we can add coupon code for payment plans to Wix website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.